which is about C++ or first come first serve in C. And actually, if you're new to this channel, just don't actually look at this stuff. So yeah, it's not my unusual stuff. Yeah, my channel is about gaming and shit. And this is the first time that I'm actually uploading something like this because it's they call this an assignment. Oh well. Let's see. iOS stream or C and vector and algorithm as my libraries. And this the thing that I use. ID, arrival time, first time, ganun. Ito yung ginamit ko dun sa yung site. Kasi it's gonna be numbers. Yung dito sa i-compare yung dun sa may arrival time. And this one is yung kung ilan yung ipaprocess. This one is the arrival time, first time, then process dun sa last one, then yung sa processes. Magulo yung code ko. Let's just begin. First yung arrival time, current time, then the current job, then yung process. Fucking suck at this. Oh well. Then dito na yung end. Yung end is yung papakita yata. Dito is bale hiwa-hiwalay siya yung process time, arrival time, then burst time. Bale papakita dito process time, arrival time, then ibababa sa so ganito yung itsura nya. Fucking suck at this. C4 yung burst time ay 0, then arrival time na 4, then burst niya 7, 1, then ito yung burst time niya put 40 kasi mag-equal yung burst time niya, then yung arrival time niya is 40 kung nalagay ko yun. So ito yung burst time niya yan. Then ito yung kalabas yan. Yeah, pretty much I can do that shit on computer kasi ayaw mag-process sa computer, mapapagawa ko sana ayos doon. Oh well, that's all for today.